Hello everyone, today is a very special day. I wonder why am I showing this American flag and playing the Star Spangled Banner music? Well, today is Independence Day, which marks on the 4th of July. Let's go ride an elevator, shall we? But not just any kind of elevator. Here's a hint. It's an elevator brand named after an American country located between Canada and Mexico. The brand is a U.S. elevator. That's the country we live in. So, let's go ride it. Alright, we're in this very 80s looking atrium.
Rock Basin Plaza office building. Lotus Globe.
JimLiElevators. We got Nicholas.
It's in Austin, Texas.
They replaced the fixtures.
This right here is a 1980s US.
Well, don't get fooled by that call button. Just wait until you see the inside. Epic.
E. Okay. Go to 3.
Now let's be quiet, listen to the motor going up.
Classic US leveling.
I didn't know that. The door close button works, I love that. It kind of vibrates a lot. Send it back down to the lobby and we'll get the other car.
We can even get it at the parking level.
Mirrored everything. There's 2 COPs, I didn't know that.
Right?
Captain Elevator 42189.
Right?
Oh, you can see up there too, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you can see up there.
Right.
Well, this is our one more ride, just look up there.
Sure.
Let's do that. And then we'll go back down and ride the internal car.
Okay.
Look in the door, who do you see? Hi.
JimLiElevators and Captain Elevator 42189.
That's right.
Ready? Alrighty.
Appears that the indicator's completely burnt out.
Except for the arrows.
Yeah. See if that was classic leveling. Yes, it does.
It also has a nice sounding motor.
Yeah, but kind of vibrates a lot.
Right?
There's your phone, which is non-ADA. I don't think I can see anything on that indicator.
Right?
P works. It takes forever to level. Oh, there it is. Down that street over there. And it's original. The original call station. And I hear the relays over there.
Indicator light.
It's missing a plastic cap.
Yes.
I can see that right in there.
Yes.
The glass elevator was in much mint condition.
Yes. 3.
indicator's completely burned out on this one as well.
Except for the arrows.
Exactly.
It's a nice elevator.
Sure is.
Like the wood walls and stone floor.
We're at 1. This one doesn't do the classic leveling. Looks like they're doing work here.
Yes, there it goes, and that's it.
All right. Now, as we come to a close on this Independence Day special, we will do some fireworks by pressing each of these elevator buttons on these 3 call stations that'll light up like a firework. This button right here is not going to be used in this video because it lights up green, which is not part of the Independence Day colors. So, we're going to give it a boom. See those colors? It matches exactly what I showed on that American flag at the beginning of this video. So, see? You got all these colors that represents this Independence Day special. Now, something fun with this elevator button right here, watch this. See? It changes colors. Now, something more fun to implement this holiday special, watch this. See, look at that. Tell me if you think that is not fun for Independence Day. See, what do you think of that for a firework? Blink happy, isn't it? Alright, that's enough playing with these elevator buttons. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy 4th of July. Make sure to watch some fireworks tonight. God bless to all of you and your family and everyone who's watching this video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye, everyone.